morning, sir.
Very good morning. Take your seat, please.
Thank you, sir.
In last class, we have discussed about different forms of power sharing. There is a test on tomorrow. Prepare well and all the best for everyone.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
These are our test papers. Please check it carefully.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I and Akhil wrote the same answers, but he got more marks than me.
Okay, I will clap at your door. Please come with me. Now we are going to market. Flowers, flowers, garlands, garlands, flowers, 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 flowers. Now go and buy flowers in a cover and garlands separately.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, what is the rate of these flowers in the cover?
20 rupees.
And what is the price of these garlands?
200 rupees.
Can you pack these both?
Take it. Take it.
Thank you. Visiting.
Okay, sir. Sir, here are your materials.
Please keep it aside. Now go and purchase loose pens and pen in a box.
Hello, sir. What is the price of this pen?
10 rupees.
And what is the price of this pen in the box?
100 rupees.
Can you give these both? Sir, here are your pens.
Please keep it aside. What do you observe from this?
The flowers in the cover and the loose pen have low cost, but the arranged ones makes more.
Among these, which one is more beautiful?
The garland and the pen in the box are more beautiful, sir.
Like that, who write in exam with good handwriting and good presentation, they got more marks. That is the reason you got the less marks.
Okay, sir. Next time I will give my good presentation.
It's okay. My dear best friends, good presentation and good handwriting fetches more. Thank you.